Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Khwaish Sudan from class 3rd E. Today I would like to thank all teachers because teachers do their best in pandemic situation and provide best material to students through online study. Happy Teachers Day and thank you. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Khwaish Sudan from class 3rd E. Teachers are nation builders. They spread knowledge all around. Today we celebrate Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year. On the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who encouraged teaching now message addressed by students of APS Miran Sahib.
My name is Samarpreet Singh, class 4th C, student of Army Public School, Miran Sahib. I express my gratitude to our teachers on their special day, that is Teachers Day. And big thanks to all my teachers to encourage and build our character.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friend. My name is Vishek Sudan from class 4B. Today I would like to thank all teacher community because teachers do their best in pandemic situation and provide best material to students through online study. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Good morning to the respected principal, teachers and my dear friend. My name is Kritika Chadak. I am studying in class 4C. We are here to celebrating Teachers Day today. Today is 5th of September and on this day we celebrate Teachers Day every year with lots of joy and happiness. Firstly of all, I would like to thank you my class teacher for giving me wonderful opportunity to speak before you. On this day we pay respect to teachers and like backbone of our society. They always strive to shape our future of younger citizens and their role is above all. They don't teach us only subjects and languages, they teach us manners and life skills. My dear teacher, I know you can replace your for you effects. With this, I would like to thank you all for giving this opportunity. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Khushpreet Kaur. I study in class 4th B. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5 September. Children pay respect to teacher on this day. Children dance and sing on this day. Former President Radhakrishnan was born on this day. He was also teacher and taught many colleges. Many countries celebrate Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am and all my dear teachers. Today, I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Krishna Magaral of class 4C. On the occasion of Teachers Day, wishing you very joy and happiness as you are amazing teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Prabhalin Singh, class 4C, roll number 20. I am going to speak on Teachers' Day. Every year, 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day. This is very special day for all the teachers in our country. My teacher is very loving and helpful. She teaches me in a playful manner, and I really enjoy my classes. We should always obey and respect our teachers. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Harika Salgotra from class 4, section C. On this special day, I wish to convey my best wishes and best greetings to all my teachers who had helped me to attempt success in my academy. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.
Good morning to all. Today, I, Harleen Kaur of class 4A, is standing before you to wish my all lovely and sweet teachers Happy Teachers Day. Wishing you a glorious and happy Teachers Day. Teacher, you have been a guiding star, and today I will thanks for all the guidance and education you will show upon me. Happy Teachers Day. You just not a teacher but a true inspiration to me. Again, Happy Teachers Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Sparsh Thakur of class 4C. I am going to say few lines for Teachers Day. Teachers are very important for us. They guide us, they support us, they teach us, they inspire us. Happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers. Thank you. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Nishant Manhas from class 4C. Today I am speak few lines on Happy Teachers Day. Wishing all my teachers a Happy Teachers Day. On this special day, I would like to thank you for all the efforts you have put into make me a better person in my life. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am and all my dear teachers. My name is Navjot Singh. I read in class 3rd E and my roll number is 16. Wish you Happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers, especially Neeraj Ma'am because she is my favorite teacher. Thank you.
Morning. My name is Gurleen of class 4C. Now I am ready for a topic on Teachers Day. In India, 5th September is celebrated as Teachers Day as a mark of tribute to the contribution made by teachers to the society. 5th September is the birth anniversary of great teacher Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a staunch believer of education and was a non-diplomat scholar, the President of India above all a teacher. When some of his students and friends approached him and requested him to allow them to celebrate his birthday, he said, 66 instead of celebrating my birthday separately, it privilege if 5th September is from then onwards. The 5th of September has been observed as Teachers Day in India. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Gurleen of class 4C. Now I am ready for a topic, animal are kept in zoo are right or wrong. Animals are captive in zoo. Children should not stop visiting the zoo as by bringing people and animal public and foster our appreciation of other species. Zoos saved endangered species by bringing them into a safe protect from poachers, habitat loss and predators. A good zoo provides an enriched habitat in which the animals are never bored, as well cared for or have plenty of space. Zoos are a tradition, and visit to a zoo a wholesome family activity. Seeing an animal is a much more personal and more memorable experience than seeing that animal is a nature. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Ritin Sandal. I am a student of 4C. Today I am going to speak some lines on Teacher Day. That we would have been lost. Thank you, teachers, for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us what we are today. Thank you, and happy Teacher Day.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Kritika Chadak. I am studying in class 4C. My topic is we should not visit zoo due to the following reasons. Animals suffer incapacity. Many zoos fail to provide even a minimum standard of care. Animals are taken from their homes. Conservation is a con. Healthy animals are killed. Animals are trained to perform tricks. Animal protein loss are lacking. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Welcome to respected principal, my fellow students, and the star of the day, my dear teachers. Our teachers are very kind and helpful to us always. My teachers is very sweet and just like a mother to me. Teaching is one of the honorable jobs to every exit. On a 5th day of September month is located Teachers Day very year. In India, Teachers Day is one of the most celebrated days across school and college. Children shower their teachers with cheers, greeting and gifts on Teachers Day to express their love. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Sagamia Bhogia from class 30. I would like to speak on special occasion of Teachers Day. Wish you all very happy Teachers Day. All teachers are best, but my favorite teacher is Mrs. Jyoti ma'am. Mrs. Jyoti ma'am teach us English. My teacher best. She never ever rests. She work hard day and night to make me very bright. She is like a mother to me. That is why I am not afraid to be me. She is very loving and kind. Her teaching style is very cool. I love my teacher very much. Thank you.
Good morning to the respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Sangat Chaudhary from class 30. Today I speak Teacher Day. Teachers are the source of knowledge and wisdom. Students all over the country celebrate this day to pay respect to their teachers. Various competitions are arranged in school, but this year are not able to celebrate this day on a large scale because of COVID-19. Thank you, teachers, for supporting us and being with us. Have a nice day. Stay happy and healthy life.
Good morning to all respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Som Singh. I read in class 30. Wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. We should always obey and respect our Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sunat Kumari. I read in class 30. Today's topic is lines on Teachers Day. They teach us, they inspire us, they support us, they guide us. Today is the day to thanks and so happy Teachers Day, all my teachers. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Great teachers never try to be the best. Teacher Day simply try
to bring out the best in their students. Thanks for being on one such teacher. Happy Teacher Day, ma'am. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. I am Taranjit Kaur of class 3rd C, stand in front of you to wish my lovely teacher on this Teacher Day. I would like to thank you all for introducing me to the world of books. Happy Teacher's Day and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shishta Bhagat. I read in class 3rd. Today I am speaking few lines on Happy Teacher's Day. Wish you a joy and happiness. You are amazing teachers and you only deserve the best. You are the spark, the inspiration, the guide to my life. I am deeply thankful that you are my teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Good morning to all dear teachers. It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful day. You really work hard for us and we really thank you all to our life successful. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Harshdeep Kaur of class 3rd C. I am here to wish my all lovely teachers to the world. You may just 8 teachers, but students are the hero, star and a role model. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all respected principal ma'am, teachers and my all friends. My name is Mansi Kundar. I read in class 30. Happy Teachers Day to all teachers and principal ma'am. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you shower makes you the world's best teachers. Happy Teachers Day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Gursat Kaur. I read in class 4th. My roll number is 9. Now I am saying 5 lines on Teacher's Day. Teacher Day is on 5 September. Many countries celebrate Teacher's Day. Children dance and sing on Teacher's Day. Children pay respect to teachers. I love Teacher's Day. Thank you and a wonderful day.
Good morning everybody, my name is Shraddha Sharma from 2nd B. Today's word is kind. Kind meaning helpful. We should be kind to others. Thank you very much.
Teacher is the God. They are special. My name is Nihas. I read in class 3rd. Thank you and have a nice day. Happy Teachers Day.
गुरु में संसार समाया, उनका है आशीष पाया। प्रभु ने खुद से भी ऊंचा गुरु का है स्थान बताया। ये गुरुवर तो ज्ञान के सागर है, इनसे ही जन्नत है। ये गुरुवर तो ज्ञान के सागर है।